friends, and welcome back to Math with Miss Applewhite. Today we are going to continue learning our 2-digit plus 1-digit numbers that we started yesterday. If you remember, we talked about 2-digit numbers have how many numbers? Yes, 2. So 21 is an example of a 2-digit number. Now, 21 we know has tens and ones from our place value. How many tens are in 21? Good. 2 tens. Excellent job. How many ones are in 21? 1. Excellent. Then we also have what we call 1-digit numbers. How many numbers are in a 1-digit number? Yeah, 1. So if I do 21 plus 9, how many tens are in the number 9? Very good, 0, because there's no tens. It's not a 2-digit number. How many ones are in 9? Yes, 9. You guys are so smart. So yesterday we used our manipulatives and Miss Applewhite used Cheerios. You may have used other things like pennies, coins, paper clips, buttons, a different kind of cereal. It doesn't matter. But manipulatives are just tools that help us solve problems. And Miss Applewhite also taught you how to use a 10 frame. And remember, I wanted to see your work, and a lot of you did an amazing job. So today we're going to learn one more strategy to help us solve 2-digit plus 1-digit math sentences. So we just talked about tens and ones. So I think a good strategy for us to try to practice is using base 10 blocks. And if you remember, we use these a lot in our place value pictures when we do our quick draw. So let's go back real quickly to what we just said. 21. How many tens are in 21? You. Yes, 2 tens. So remember, I can draw these lines to represent my 10 rods. So I have 2 tens. Now, 21. How many ones? Very good. So I might put my little square to represent my base 10 blocks. I could do a circle. It's fine. Whatever works in your picture. But now I'm going to add 9. Again, yesterday, Miss Applewhite told you she likes to add X's just because it makes it look different and easier for me to see what the difference is between the two numbers I am adding. So now I'm going to add my X's. How many X's should I add? Yes, 9. Great. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so now, I could easily count this up. But we're going to think about, how many ones equal a 10? We talked about this. Yes, when we have our 10 rod, we can see that if it looks like this, so let's see how many is in it. How many ones make up this 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Oh, so 10 ones equal a 10. So I'm going to see if I have 10 ones. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do I have 10? Yes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these 10 ones, group them together, and make a 10. So now I have 3 10 rods. So let's count. 10, 20, 30. Very good. So 21 plus 9 equals 30. Excellent. Do you think if I used my Cheerios and counted out 21 and added 9 more, I would get the same answer? Yes, I sure would. What if I had my 10 frames would I get the same answer? Yes, I would because they're the same numbers. So I can use different strategies to help solve my problems, and I am going to get the same answer. So your friend might do a different strategy than you, and that is okay because these strategies are whatever you can use to help you understand and find the correct answer. So great job with this one. Now let's try another one. Oh, that was a little strange. So I'm going to go ahead and erase mine here. Oh, I think I took a part of my video away. Anyway, you can still see me. Now, let's try a different 2-digit plus 1-digit number. Are you ready? Great. So we'll do 30. Whoa, that's big. Maybe we shouldn't do quite that big because it'll not give us much room to work. So let's do, give me a 2-digit number. Okay, I'll use 33, thank you. You right there, give me a 1-digit number. Okay, sure. 8, we like that number. All right, so 33 plus 8. So I have my 2-digit number, 33, my 1-digit number, 8. So we're going to use our base 10 pictures that we have learned to help us solve the problem. So 33, how many 10s are in 33? Go ahead. Yes, 3. So we draw our base 10 rods for 33, for the 30 in 33. Now, how many 1s are in 33? Yes, 3. So I can do my boxes or my circles, whichever works. Now, I've got to add. How many am I going to add? 8. Very good. And remember, Miss Applewhite likes to do X's just to show the difference between the two numbers. So I'm going to add 8 X's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now I have my numbers. I could easily count it, but remember we want to start looking to see if we have a group of 10 ones because that will equal a 10 rod. Because we just have over here, remember, 10 ones equal a 10. So let's see if we have 10 ones. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I do. So I'm going to group those 10 ones together, and I'm going to make it a 10 rod. So, how many 10s do I have now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. So I have 4 10s. But I have 1 left over. What am I going to do with that? Yes, it'll be my 1s. Very smart. So there's 1 left over. So I write it down. What will my answer be? 41. Excellent job, guys. You are so smart. Now remember, if you still want to use your manipulatives, can you? Yes. And if I like 10 frames better, could I use those? Yes. But today I do want you to practice this strategy. But in the future, when you get to choose your strategy, you can choose what you like the best. Very good. So we would get the same answer no matter what strategy we use. Now you guys are going to get ready to log into Seesaw, and we will find this activity here. It's actually page 2 of yesterday's activity. Yesterday's activity should have been saved as draft, as said in the instructions. So if you accidentally submitted, please let your child's teacher know, and they can send it back to you so you can complete page 2. So here is page 2 of your Seesaw activity, and you will see 3 math sentences. So 15 plus 4. So I will say, 15 is my 2-digit number. How many 10s are in 15? 1. Excellent job. And I'm going to change my color because white's not going to show up here. How many 1s are in 15? Yes, 5. Great job. Now I'm going to add how many? 4. Excellent job. And I'm going to put 4 X's so I can easily see the difference between my numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I'm going to see if I have a group of 10. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do I have a group of 10? No. So I will not group that together because it doesn't equal 10. I can only group it together if it equals 10. Because that would be like trading those 10 ones for that 10 rod. So I can only do it if there's 10. So I can just write the answer. Equals 110 is 1 and 9 ones is 9. So what's my answer? 19. Excellent job. You have 2 more to solve right here. 24 plus 6 and 33 plus 9. I would love for you to use the base 10 picture strategy just like you saw here. If you need to check your work, you can absolutely use your manipulatives, my Cheerios, or whatever tool that you have, or your 10 frames. But please at least try using the base 10 pictures to solve. And remember, I can only group my ones if they equal what? 10. I can only group my ones if they equal 10. Excellent job. You guys have done a great job learning about adding 2-digit numbers and 1-digit numbers. I can't wait to see your amazing work. We are so proud of how hard you have worked in math. You guys truly are super mathematicians. Happy learning, and I will see you soon.